So guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh Divyanshi, we are doing today moving charges and magnetism. Before we will start, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and comment me below for more updates, more videos, more content that you want, for caution practice and many more. Let us start the outcome. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. The outcome of Oersted experiment indicated that moving charges or currents provides magnetic field in the surrounding space. Oersted के एक्सपेरिमेंट से हमें पता चला कि चार्जेस मूविंग चार्जेस होते हैं करंट होते प्रोड्यूस करते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सराउंडिंग स्पेस में. सो फर्स्ट इज लॉरेंट्ज फोर्स. When charge is moving in a region where both electric E and magnetic field B exist, the electric and magnetic force are acting on it. The resultant of their forces is called electromagnetic or Lorentz force on charge. F is equals to Fe plus Fm gives F vector is equals to Qe vector plus Qv cross B. For magnetic force, we have a charge Q moving with the velocity v in a uniform magnetic field B such that V makes an angle theta with B. Then magnetic force experienced by the charge is given by Fm is equals to Qvb. For magnetic force on current carrying conductor, F is equal to NaL E Vd cross B is equals to Ne Vd Al is equals cross B JAL cross B is equals to IL cross B. For albatros shape or tube shape, F is equals to EIDLI cross B. For this act through the center of the rod. For motion, the combined electric and magnetic field Q moving with charge Q moving the velocity v in the presence of both electric and magnetic field experience a force given by F is equals to QE plus V vector cross B gives FE plus FB. और साइक्लोट्रॉन ये शायद आउट सिलेबस से बाहर हो गया है, बात नहीं कर लेते. प्रिंसिपल when a charged particle or iron is made to move again and again, it is high frequency electric field and a strong magnetic field, it gets accelerated and acquires sufficient energy, large amount of energy. For next we will do motion charge and uniform transfer and magnetic field. Magnetic force on moving charge is given as Fm is equals to Qvb is equals to mv square upon r. For radius of circular path, r is equals to mb upon qb is equals to P upon QV is equals to under 2m EK upon QV is equals to under 2m QV upon QV, where R is directly proportional to V is directly proportional to P, and P is directly proportional to under root EK is directly proportional to under root V. For next, we will do motion charge in uniform magnetic field at the acute angle 0 theta, where theta is greater than 0 and less than 90. Axis of helix is a straight line along external magnetic field which joins all the centers of circular turns. Radius circular path is QV sin theta B is equals to MV sin theta square upon R is equals to MV sin theta upon QV. Where for uniform axis for helix. Okay. For magnetic field due to infinite long solid cylindrical conductor or wire, for R is equals to 0, Bx is equals to 0. B is directly proportional to R, so capital R is greater than small r. Surface R is equals to R. For B out is inversely proportional to R. For Biot-Savart's law, here magnetic field at a point P due to a current element ideal depends at dV is equals to KLdL sin theta upon R square, where K is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi is equals to 10 to the power minus 7 SI in CGS 1 CGS. Vector form of Biot-Savart's law is dB vector is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl cross r upon r cube. Vector cross product C is equals to A cross B. C is equals to AB sin theta n cap is out of paper, or we can say in the z axis. Okay. For next we will do moving coil galvanometer principle. When a current carrying coil placed a magnetic field experiences torque. Moving coil galvanometer, the current I passes through the galvanometer is directly proportional to its deflection. Flux current sensitivity is moving coil galvanometer is defined as the definition of coil per unit current passed through it. CS equals to flux upon I is equals to NB upon K. Voltage sensitivity, moving coil galvanometer is defined as the deflection of coil per unit voltage applied across it is equals to Vs is equals to flux upon IR is equal to NB KR. Vs is equals to Cs upon R, where R is the resultant of the coil. For Ampere's circular law, it states that the line integral of magnetic field along any closed path in free surface space is equals to mu naught times of net current which cross through are area bounded by the closed path mathematically. देखा EI is equals to I1 minus I2 plus I3. पॉइंट हम शो करते हैं पॉजिटिव के लिए, डाउन के लिए नेगेटिव. फॉर मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट ऑफ रिवॉल्विंग इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑर्बिटल करंट के लिए I इज E over T is equals to EV over 2 pi R. Magnetic movement associated with the circulating current mu1 is equals to IR square is equals to EVR upon 2E upon 2MEL. Vectorally, mu L is equals to minus E upon 2MEL vector. Magnetic ratio mu1 upon L is equals to E upon 2ME. For bore magnetar UV is equals to mu1 minimum is equals to E upon 2 pi MEH is equals to 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 एम्पियर मीटर स्क्वायर. डायग्राम इसका. टॉर्क ऑन रेक्टेंगुलर कॉइल करंट, टॉर्क ऑन रेक्टेंगुलर करंट लूप tau is equals to m cross b, m b sin theta n, where m is equals to NIA, NI, AB, A. Cap magnetic movement of current in loop, where A is equals to AB area of rectangular loop, the angle between M and B. Circular loop as magnetic dipole, circular current loop, M is equals to I is equals to I pi R square. For magnetic field perpendicular to the loop at any point a distance x from the center from x is very very greater than R, where B perpendicular is equals to mu naught I R square upon 2 x cube is equals to mu naught 4 pi 2 m upon x cube. Magnetic field in the same plane of the loop at any point at distance x from the center is for x is greater than R. B parallel mu naught upon 4 pi m upon x cube. Also B perpendicular is 2 into B parallel. Magnetic field due to infinite long hollow cylindrical conductor Bx is equals to 0, और ये हुआ है इसके एक्सिस के लिए आर इसके लिए 0 होता है. फॉर आउटर सरफेस के लिए आर इक्वल हो जाता है दोनों, और बी इन के लिए 0 होता है, बी आउट के लिए इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू आर होता है. Then we completed the chapter moving charges and magnetism. For more video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel O Divyanshi. और बायस-सावर्ट्स लॉ का फॉर्मूला है म्यू नॉट 4 pi आइडियल साइन थीटा आर स्क्वायर. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेट लाइन कंडक्टर B is equal म्यू नॉट L अपॉन 4 pi A साइन थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 2. और फॉर एट अ पॉइंट solenoid B is equals to म्यू नॉट NL either side of solenoid B and is equal 1/2 म्यू NL. और कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट है, हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू EV, V is equals to √2 EV. Velocity V is equals to QBR upon M. Period revolution T is equals to 2 pi M QB. Cycle around frequency VC is equals to QB upon 2 pi M. Magnetic, kinetic and KMX is equals to x square B square R square upon 2M. For force per unit area F is equals to mu naught L1 L2 upon 2 pi R. Vector form tau is equal to M cross B. और for tau is equals to NB sin theta and 90 minus alpha NB cos theta. Moving coil converted I is equals to K upon NB a theta. Deflection produced theta is equal to NB upon K. I is current sensitivity I is equal to theta upon I NB upon K. Voltage sensitivity V is equals to theta upon V is equals to theta upon IR is equals to NB upon KR. For the conversion of galvanometer into ammeter is equals to IG upon I minus IG into RG. Here IG is equals to S upon RG plus S into I. Resistance of ammeter R is equal to RGS RG plus S. For conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter, the value of the highest series resistance R is equals to 1 upon IG minus RG. Here IG is equals to V upon RG plus R. Resistance of voltmeter RV is equals to RG plus R. The chapter is completed. All formulas and everything is completed. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, like the videos for more videos, comment below any important chapter you want highly in the for your test or test series. So comment me below in the comment section. Bye bye guys.